first step is to create or obtain a list of names and addresses. So this could be created in either a Word or Excel spreadsheet. So here we will start with Microsoft Word. So click on Start menu in your computer, open Microsoft Office, in which you will get Microsoft Word 2007 version. I am having, whichever version you have, you can use that. Okay, there is no any difference between any of the version. Now click on Mailing tab. First of all, we are creating database over here. So for that, we are clicking on Select Recipients option, which is there in Start Mail Merge Group. Now type New List. You have to click one new dialog box, namely New Address List will pop up. Here you have to add new records. So here I am inserting randomly first name and addresses. For every new entry, you have to click on New Entry button at the bottom of the dialog box, and then in this way you can fill up and make your database. Here you can find three more buttons, which are Find, Delete Entry, Customize Columns. So with the help of Find, you can find out particular record. Okay, you can search out particular record from the number of records inserted. And Customize Columns is used to make any column customized. Suppose you want to add or delete any particular new column, then you can use this Customize Columns option. So students, here we are randomly preparing one database which we will be using in our finalize main letter. Okay, so these things you can see in your merged document, right? So we have randomly created 5 records. Suppose I want to delete any entry, I will select that particular record and I will click on delete entry, so it will be deleted. Now click on OK. So you will get one new dialog box which will ask you to save this database. So here you can give any particular name and save it. My next task is to prepare the main document. So for that, I am going to select again in the Mailing tab, Start Mail Merge Group, click on Letters. Because we are making letters, here you have more options like email messages, envelopes, labels, directory. Okay, so here I am selecting letters. Now I will leave few lines. Okay, before writing my main document, I am leaving few lines to put my addresses and which will be coming from the database. So here I am start writing my letter. I have already written the letter before, so I am simply copy and paste that things over here. You have to physically type it. So as you can see, I have prepared one letter, which is the main letter or main document. Now we are saving this letter so that you can make use of it in future purpose. So here I can save it by any particular name which you can remember. Okay, so master document or any kind of name you can give over here. Now my next task is to merge the columns. So for that, I am going to select the option Select Recipients. Okay, here you will get 3 options, from which I will choose Use Existing List. So whatever list you have prepared before, that will be opened. So you have to click on Open, and now your created database has been attached with this main letter. Now randomly we will select each and every column. So for that, we will going to Insert Merge field. Here you can see title, first name, last name, address, phone number, all such type of columns are there, from which we have given first name, and addresses. So randomly you can take that columns from the list. Okay, wherever your cursor resides in the document, there your columns is copied. So if you want to make the column in new line, then you can select the enter, or if you would make any changes, then you can also do it. Okay, so simply here I have inserted my first name, last name, address line 1, address line 2. Then after dear also I require first name. So in this way I have inserted the columns. Okay, these all are called merged field. Okay, these are called selected fields, are called merged fields. Okay, so students, now we will see our result, how our letter looks like. So for that I'll click on preview result tab. Okay, so once you click on preview result, you can see your record has already been coming from the database. By checking all the records whether they are attaching with your document or not, for that you have to go to the next button and previous button, right, as I am doing here. So 5 records I have inserted. So here you can see 5 different letters has been created. Now preview result option is used to check whether whatever you have written is correct or not, and my final copy will look like this. Okay, suppose you want to make any change in this, then again you have to click on preview result. So it will be deselect, and it gives you the facility to make any change in the letter, okay, before going to make it finalize. Now everything is okay, then you can go to the option, final option, that is finish and merge. Here I am selecting the first option, edit individual documents, and all records I have to merge, so I am selecting all. Okay, so you can see my letters are created with different names and addresses. Next option is print documents. With the help of print document, you can print the documents with the help of your printer. And last one is send email messages, is used to send email messages directly. The letter you can send via email. So this facility is also given. So students, here you can see we have created 5 different letters with the help of 5 different database records. So I hope you all are clear with these steps. Students, you have to prepare it. You have to do it practically and show me the result. Thank you.